The UVBI increases red blood cells' ability to carry and release oxygen. What a fantastic thing. This improves tissue oxygenation, especially important for organs like retina, the optic nerve, and the other cells in the body, the uveal tissues. The antioxidant and inflammatory effects are by it reduces the oxidative stress, a key driver for a lot of organic chronic diseases and eye degenerative conditions. So it stimulates enzymes like superoxide dismutase and catalase to neutralize free radicals. Very, very important. Most of the antioxidants which we consume works on this pathway. So if you're a science student, these are very important points. The topic for today is blue light. It's ultraviolet blue light in which we eradicate the blood, and that helps in healing. And how does it affect the eye conditions? That's the way to go now. Yeah, for decades, scientists have been exploring how light can be used as medicine. One of the most fascinating applications is ultraviolet blood irradiation, UVBI. It's called, sometimes called the light therapy for the blood. This therapy uses controlled ultraviolet light exposure on a small amount of blood, which is then returned to the body. The result, a cascade of immune, antioxidant and oxygenation benefits that support healing from within, including the eyes. So what is UVBI? A small portion of patient's blood, about 100 to 250 ml, is withdrawn. It is exposed to specific wavelengths of ultraviolet light in a sterile medical chamber. The treated blood is then reinfused back into the body. This process stimulates immune systems, reduces toxins, enhances oxygen delivery, almost like giving your bloodstream a light-based recharge. Mechanism of action, how does it work? UVBI works through photobiology, the way light energy interacts with cells. Exactly, to give you an anecdote, how when light falls onto the leaf of a tree or a plant, the light hits the plant's green leaf and photosynthesis happens. The chlorophyll is stimulated and the plant gets food. So it creates oxygen, it emits the oxygen, absorbs the carbon dioxide. Same way, the body, our body also keeps interacting with the light. This is the way light energy interacts with the cellular level, so that we hardly think about. So that's what we are working on, and this destroys harmful microbes. These ultraviolet light inactivates the bacteria, viruses and fungi in the blood. This reduces infection and toxic load on the body. So where does this toxins come from? Toxins are all over the place. It is there in our water, it's there in our food, it's there in the air, it is there in everything. The coloring agents which we use for the cakes, the other additives, preservatives in the food which we take, everything has got toxins. So this causes a lot of immune problem, autoimmune problems. It can lead up to cancer. So these UVBI could clean up the system that way. So UV activated blood triggers the release of immune modulating molecules called cytokines. You must have heard of cytokine storm during the COVID times. So this is a fantastic thing to clean up the immune modulating molecules. So it enhances the body's ability to fight infection while calming down autoimmune overreactions. So it improves oxygen utilization. The UVBI increases red blood cells' ability to carry and release oxygen. What a fantastic thing. This improves tissue oxygenation, especially important for organs like retina, the optic nerve, and the other cells in the body, the uveal tissues. The antioxidant and inflammatory effects are by it reduces the oxidative stress, a key driver for a lot of organic chronic diseases and eye degenerative conditions. So it stimulates enzymes like superoxide dismutase and catalase to neutralize free radicals. Very, very important. Most of the antioxidants which we consume works on this pathway. So if you're a science student, these are very important points. So general health benefits of UVBI are it has been studied for a wide range of conditions: chronic infections like viral, fungal, Lyme disease, autoimmune diseases, arthritis, lupus, psoriasis, chronic fatigue and fibromyalgia, circulatory disorders like atherosclerosis, peripheral vascular disease, which is there in the eye. You have venous blockage and artery blockage. That also it's helpful. Detoxification, reducing toxic burden in the blood, anti-aging therapy through mitochondrial activation and oxygenation. Very important point. So how UVBI helps in eye health, that's the most important thing, because most of the viewers here are based on the eye. Many eye diseases are linked to poor circulation, oxidative stress, inflammation, etc. This UVBI addresses these root causes very importantly, especially in diabetic retinopathy. Improves blood flow in retinal vessels. It reduces oxidative damage from high blood pressure and blood sugar. Age-related macular degeneration, lowers the oxidative stress on photoreceptors, enhances mitochondrial energy in retinal cells. Wow. And in glaucoma, improves oxygenation of the optic nerve head. So this may reduce inflammatory damage, contributing to nerve loss. And in optic atrophy and neuropathy, enhances the microcirculation and oxygen delivery to nerve tissues. It supports repair and slows progression. So in retinitis pigmentosa, so many patients, a problem they're having with this, it protects the remaining photoreceptor cells by reducing oxidative stress, boosts energy metabolism in the weakened retinal cells. So the safety and considerations to be followed are: UVBI is safe when done with medical grade equipment and proper dosing. Possible mild side effects could be temporary fatigue or light headache post-treatment. Not advised in severe photosensitivity disorders or uncontrolled bleeding conditions. So to conclude, UVBI or ultraviolet blood irradiation is a powerful integrative therapy that combines modern science with nature's most fundamental energy source, that is the light. By improving immunity, oxygenation and cellular energy, UVBI holds promise not only for systemic diseases but also for sight-threatening eye conditions like diabetic retinopathy, macular degeneration, glaucoma, retinitis pigmentosa, so on and so forth. For patients seeking advanced holistic options for vision protection and overall wellness, UVBI may be a valuable supportive therapy when used under expert guidance. Thank you once again for patient listening. If you are a person who's wanting to listen more about such topics, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, send this video to your friends and relatives who could benefit from this. Thank you.